the European Commission will be taking a number of measures that will be communicated formally a little bit later this week. They will cover the putting on hold of the work of the Stabilization and Association Agreement bodies. We will also suspend programming of funds for Kosovo, and proposals submitted by Kosovo under the Western Balkan Investment Framework will not be processed at this juncture. Ongoing support through procurement proceedings and the signing of contracts will also be suspended. High-level events and bilateral visits will equally be suspended. Now, I want to underline very clearly that we don't take these actions lightly and that they should be seen as temporary and reversible depending on the credible, decisive and timely steps that we expect the Kosovo authorities to take to de-escalate the situation.